Tesla stock is maintaining itself quite well. Look at this. We closed at 426.07, up $9.22, 2.21% up. We are up there within our bullish channel. This is the bullish channel. We are supposed to zigzag here. This will bring us, depending on when we reach it, to 470 approximately. If we break that 440, 440 is right here. We need to break it, and we are not going lower. We are going higher. Look at this. Going higher and higher. So we are having a little bullish channel right there after the move that we had last week. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So look at this beauty right here. Look at this beauty. This is where we are. We are contained right here. Zigzagging. We can find bullish channels everywhere. Bearish channels, congestion zones, everywhere. And right now, what is happening? There's a little bit of weakening. I need to tell you this. There's a little bit of, because this is the channel. So we are supposed to be zigzagging here. So far, we have zigzagged very well. But now we are not able to reach this side again. So see, we are starting to make a top right here. Cannot break 426.47. Cannot make this up. Look at this. On one line, all the candles since yesterday, 11:30, have been lining up at 426.47. They have been lining up. So there's selling pressure right there. Sellers come in. At the same time, buyers come in a little bit higher each time. A little bit higher. This is so precise. We are climbing, but we don't break above 426.47 until the last candle of the day. We are right smack there. We are stuck there. So what should be happening on Monday is that this thing is going to get resolved because this line is going to be broken or this line is going to be broken. You make your bets, but when we are having higher lows like this, what tends to happen is that it's the lows that tend to win. It's the lows that are winning. It's not the highs that win. When we are into a bullish trend, so this is the bullish trend, so the support is supposed to win. So we are supposed to break 426.47 next week. What you can do is just wait until Monday and see what is happening with the price. If we start going higher than 426.47, you will know that the buyers have won and they are pushing the sellers away. Then you can join in for a little bit of a swing to 440 if you play on the 1 hour chart. But if you see that the price is lower than 426.47, and if you see that we are breaking this support line right here, then you can conclude that, okay, we are no longer going higher for now on the 1 hour chart. We are back into a congestion zone right here. Boom. Between 426.47 and 411.71 that gave us the buy signal right here. In terms of indicators, everything is all good on the daily chart. Everything is positive and bullish. And the same on the daily chart, everything is bullish. Let's take a look at the rest of the market to see if everything is moving in sync. So VIX is a little bit down. We are down 0.23, down 1.47% at 1546. This is all good. Dow Jones, look at this. Perfection again. See how this line is very important. Look at this. We are bouncing right on it. Bounced yesterday. A couple of days before we came back above it. So Dow Jones is following the bullish channel to perfection. SPX, the same thing. We are outside of our bullish channel resistance right here. We are continuing further away. This is bullish too. NASDAQ also, very nice. Everything is moving up. And Russell, this is fine. This is red, minus 1%, but because of what we had yesterday, this is just a pullback, and we are just pulling back 50% of the move that we had yesterday, so nothing wrong with this either. Let's take a look at the heat map of the market. So more black and green, I would say, than red. Let's take a look at gold and cryptos. So gold, a nice day today, 1.21% up, still below this resistance. Until we break it, then this is pretty much at a standstill. Silver, okay, silver is starting, it started to move down a little bit. Now it's picking up. So we are still outside of our bullish channel right here. This is showing some strength, and based on what we saw yesterday and today, we are moving higher. Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin was doing pretty good. Now we are caving in a little bit. We are down 1,500, 1.29%, but we are still above our bullish channel, so we are still bullish. We are still above our 21-day moving average. Stochastic is still good, DMI is still good, and our reversal indicator is also bullish, so this is just a pullback for now. Ethereum, the same thing. Ethereum, this is looking a little bit worse in terms of patterns because instead of staying above 44.91, now we are caving in a little bit. So this is a resistance right now. What is a little bit better is that we are having this support right here. This is the low of the September 16 candle. This is the low of September 17 candle. So we are right smack on that low. At least we are not making a lower low. And we can be happy with this. And let's look at our BMNR. Oh, Ethereum is down 2.7%. BMNR, power on, BMNR up 2.22%. XRP caving in a little bit. We are closing right smack on the 21-day moving average. Cryptos are taking a little bit of a beating. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So we have here Tesla's lead of Optimus AI departs and people are confused about it. So Kumar, who has been with Tesla for just over 2 years, made his announcement on X revealing that he was taking a role at Meta as a research scientist. Meta and Tesla are stealing each other's employee. He said in his X post, decided to leave Tesla. It's been an incredible ride leading the Optimus AI team. We went all in on scalable methods, swapping the classical stack with reinforcement learning and scaling dexterity by learnings from videos. AI is the most significant bit to unlock humanoids. And then we have somebody that replied to him, what the heck? Why? You are working on the single most important product for the world and you are giving up so soon. What could be more important? Financial upside at Tesla was significantly larger. Tesla is known to compensate very well, way before Zach made it cool. If I wanted to optimize for money, I would have stayed at Tesla. So why is he... What is he optimizing for? If it's not for money, maybe working with Elon is not super great. I don't know. I'm just speculating right here. Yeah, this is not a good news. Also, Panasonic bets on new Tesla battery by 2027. Panasonic is betting big on a new kind of electric vehicle battery that could change the game for Tesla. The company said it's aiming to have the technology ready by the end of 2027, so that's not too bad. The breakthrough lies in ditching the traditional anode during production, so creating a battery without anode. Instead, a lithium metal anode would form after the battery's very first charge. So it's like you charge, and something is going to happen in the battery and an anode would form. So that's pretty interesting. Panasonic says that could give Tesla's Model Y nearly 90 extra miles of range without increasing the pack size. Very nice. And Panasonic shares rose about 3% on the Tokyo Exchange after that update. Fantastic. I think Tesla chose the right partner with Panasonic and they seem to be on the ball. Yeah, small week for Tesla. The big move happened last week. Right now, we don't see signs that we want to go back down. We see that we are continuing higher even on the 1-hour chart. We still have our good indicators and we are getting close to breaking 426.47 on our way to 440. Let's hope that we can even break 440 next week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.